If your lifeline looks like this, congratulations to you. Effort line rising from the lifeline are revealing depending on the amount they rise towards. An effort line rising towards the Mount of Jupiter indicates success in life. My lifeline is a very good example of that. You can see this is an effort line rising towards the Mount of Jupiter. This is the Mount of Jupiter. This is the lifeline. Therefore, you are advised to be reciting Ya Samadu, Ya Samadu, Ya Samadu 134 times after every compulsory prayer. That is after the 5 daily prayers. We should be reciting Ya Samadu 134 times. If you are not following me, follow me and like this video. God's willing, I will be coming for you with explanations about the other lines on the palm, which are revealing success, sicknesses, health, and the rest.